Hi Bleach, how's it going? This is the 10 horsepower snowblower I fixed. Personally, you got the belts. It's now seized. Either the belts are seized from the frozen rain, which is not a good idea to leave your belt cover off. And oddly enough, I let the belt cover go with the previous snapper snowblower I had, thinking that was the right belt cover. Made a mistake. So I was so happy because I was getting one of those snappers yesterday, or chair covers that my good air compressor's now broke. It broke. I mean, either it's cold or it's just broke. From when I used that one to blow out the rat nest, the bat pressure I think broke the little engine in there. So I'm just trying to thaw this out for a while. It's going to take a while, so I'm just sitting in a chair that I pulled out of the trash that someone thought was broke, but it's a little not level, and I'm just leaning against the garage door and sitting here. This is gonna work out. Still, I got little cushions there for those chairs. I got a new grill right there. Well, maybe show you in this video or maybe not. Depends how I feel. There's belts of the snapper. Also has a new belt for it somewhere. Maybe I just don't know where. I didn't have an extra Goodyear belt for it, but Lord knows where that went during my my polar excursion trip. So I'm just trying to thaw this out. It's going to take a while, and oh good, we got internet. That's good. And it's not good to let's see here. I think we got internet. Yeah, we do. And it's not good to leave one of these things unattended, and it doesn't have the safety thing on it that'll shut off and buzz because it'll still go, and it can very well start a fire. It's one of those ones at Walmart. I got my gloves up there drying onto it, and if I was smart I would have my workbench clean and not just a small bit of space for it to stay on there. And I think I'm going to put my hat right there to dry if I think it'll dry it. I just put my hat in the dryer, so I'm going to just take off my hat, put my hood up, freezing. My hair's all thrown out, as you can tell. It's all out of control. I definitely need a haircut. My deaf community friend thinks it's funny. She loves the hair, basically. It's all thrown out, and I should grow it out. I have little colors for the bald spot there. I've been stuck listening to Marshmallow lately, something like that, and who knows, maybe somebody did buy a class for me on YouTube. Maybe I was mixing with them, or maybe it's just one of my fantasies I wanted, but I'm just waiting out this thing, and it's going to take a while, and it took about 3 hours for the other one to freaking thaw out. But, yeah. But I'm going to just sit here and stay put, and hopefully this thing will just unthaw out, hopefully. And that's just really nice to do. Just put your hand right in there. I love snow. We're getting hammered here, guys. We're getting hammered. At least I got the neighbors to borrow. But yeah, let's just see how this goes. It is snowing like a fiend out here, guys. But yeah, sadly the engine's definitely seized. I only used it maybe once, and I paid $80 for it last year. So, I'm doing really well for myself, don't you think? The starter was already broke on it. Hey, I put a PB Blaster in there, no Gypsy, not PP Blaster, and Marvel's Mystery all inside the cylinder, so hopefully it'll unseize. I may take it all apart, but it's winter time, I don't want to. So next year, and I'm probably just going to keep the engine. So I think I'm just going to look for an engine for the time being, and maybe just fix the snapper and just save my money. Snapper Moorman, if you're watching this, I would like the coil, but forgive me, I might just buy a coil, and if you do send a coil, I'll probably use it on that wheel horse. And I think you should keep your coil, though you might need it on something, one of those snappers someday. But I love you guys. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and just look at it. Hi guys, Bleach here. I'm not sure if these batteries are going to last. They look like they want to die. And I charged them too, about 6 hours. So it's really nice. I'm going to try and start the snow blower without carb cleaner. Sometimes it needs carb cleaner. It's the neighbors. It's the one I'm fixing. I'm going to do the driveway. And I'm going to do my sidewalk. It's snowing like a fiend out here, guys. Actually, you have to use the carb cleaner. Cool. Sometimes I do. You tell that muffler's bad, can't you guys? guys, the snowblower doesn't work very well. It's kind of hard to adjust the carburetor because, as you can tell, the muffler's bad. It's really getting stuck in the snow. We really got hammered. It's got a stick on there to clean it off. It wouldn't do too good in the driveway, as you can see. But let's just try it now and see what it does. It obviously needs belts. They're probably corroded and rotted, been setting. Hopefully you can see me okay. Let's just get a better shot. There may be some swearing.